Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Fenix. Now this here is their E12 v3. Now I was sent this complete kit from phoenixlight.com. They wanted me to test and review this light, a little tiny EDC. Comes in this little packaging here. So let's start off with the chart there. As you can see, 200 lumens is the highest output that this can do. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. Usually just destroy these packaging here just to get to these things. And it looks like it separates here at the other end, so I'll take it all the way out. Get everything out of here. This is a complete kit, so you don't have to worry about anything right offhand. And this molded plastic is pretty tough here. Yeah, pretty thick, believe it or not there. You get one alkaline AA battery. Now I won't be using this one. I'll be using a lithium cell, one-time use. Want to get the best performance out of this light that I can to show its performance. Looks like you get one O-ring and one lanyard. And you get a nice little brochure showing other products from them. And here's the user manual. Fell out here was the warranty card. And we'll take a look here at the user manual, multi-language, very well detailed. I've done many reviews for Fenix. Very small writing, but it's all there. Never can fold these up just right the second time. Third time's charmer. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Now right offhand, just want to warn you, this will only use 1.5 volt cells in this. So nickel metal hydride, alkaline, lithium 1.5 volts. You're good. Do not use 14500 cells that are 4.2 volts. It will destroy this light. It's got a semi-gloss finish. Now right offhand, the machining and finish on this is very nice. There's the tail clicky there. Now this is magnetic, so let me grab my knife. Always nice to have this. Many times I've used my light working on the car, underneath the hood, just shoot it down. And I've actually, believe it or not, don't tell anybody, but I've left one in there and drove home after I got it checked out and opened up the hood. I could, what the heck is there, light going on? I drove all the way home in my car with one of my little flashlights. I am super lucky that I did not lose it or it get damaged in there, but it made it out just fine. Got the two-way clip on here, so you can put it on your baseball cap if you wear those type of hats. Style and design on this is very nice. Not seeing any issues. Got some designs and grooves here on the body to help you grip it, especially if you're taking it apart to take the battery out. And believe it or not, 200 lumens is a lot of light. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started here. Got your special optics there. Now this is running the Luminus SST20 LED. Now to get the best performance out of lights like these, I always use lithium cells, and I'm going to bring that out now. I'm going to be using an Energizer. Now this is a one-time use battery, cannot recharge it, so I've had really good luck with these, and they're getting a little bit pricey, so I'm kind of looking around for other ones and kind of testing them out, leaving them in a light and seeing how long they'll stay on, just kind of doing some tests. But these here have always performed very well, so I'll be using that. Let's go ahead and take this apart here first. Well greased threads, straight contact plate there on the head, and there is a spring down on the tail end of the light, which you cannot remove. Let's go ahead and get this back together and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. I'm going to turn it on. Low light level there. You can full press, turn it on and off. Half press that if you want to go through the light levels. Take a little bit of practice to just tap that enough to go through them. Cool white. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the beam. See, there's a hot spot there, a little bit of bleeding around the edges, but the spill just tapers off. Not my favorite type of spill, but this will do for most applications. Here's the beam there on the side. See how it just abruptly falls off. Kind of see a little bit out there, but those have memory mode, so that's nice. I'll put it here, turn it off, turn it on. Nice. And that's all there is to this light. Simple UI. I love it. And most of all, very nice, rugged build quality. Fenix is one of my favorites in my top 5, so that's always nice. And these guys don't play around, and build quality on this is top notch. Not seeing any issues, so let's wait no further. Let's take this E12 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Fenix E12 v3. Let's go ahead and get started. Water spout, 38 feet, 65 feet to this tree. There it is on the pants. Kind of give you an idea how that spill area looks. Now I do have a link below my video showing my testing area, and it is making 138 feet there. Large hotspot. Impressive. So the link will take you to my testing area here, so you can see all the distances. Great little EDC. Sorry about that. Next level down. Up close. Easily see about 30 feet. Impressive. So next level there. Just want to make sure that I get all the levels. See how large that hotspot is. And we'll go up to the next level. Right back up. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. 200 lumens, plenty of light for most applications, especially for this super compact little EDC light, and it's got some good range on there. Definitely is nice. Magnetic tail, be able to stick it on a metal surface, be able to have light and use it hands-free. That's a huge plus, believe it or not. Now you can also, use the lanyard, carry this, and the Luminus SST20. Impressive, especially for the low lumens that this has, and believe it or not, and you are in pitch blackness, 200 lumens is a lifesaver. And the spill area is a little weak, which is typical for this type of setup, so it's not really a con, just letting you know. The switch, nice half press to go through, or you can full press it. It will memorize. That's another nice thing. And not seeing any issues with this light, and most of all, this is budget friendly. Okay, well, I want to thank PhoenixLight.com for sending me this E12 v3 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember, it's a complete kit, comes with the battery. If this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description box below. I'm also working on a special discount code for this. If I do get that, it'll be there with it, and that'll help save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Fenix to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.